Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, back with Blender. Today we'll be using the Grease Pencil tool again. So let's go up to File, New, 2D Animation. Here's our canvas. I'm going to switch back over to Object Mode in the upper left real quick. I'm going to add a mesh, add a cube. Alright, with our cube selected in the upper right here, we're going to go back to our stroke so we can draw on the cube. With that selected, make sure we're in draw mode. Draw, we have our pencil selected, and we want to change from origin of the top here down to surface for the stroke placement. So that way we can draw on each face of the cube. So for our first face, I'm going to do, let's see, smiley. I'm just using my mouse here, my left button. Now I'm using the middle mouse wheel to move around my cube, and I'm scrolling in and out with my mouse wheel to get closer to the cube. So we did a smiley face. Oops. No, let's fix that. Command or Control Z. There. Make a sad face. Use my middle mouse wheel. Now let's make laughing face. Okay. Now let's make a mad face. He's really mad. Let's go to the top here. Make a confused face. And how about we do a shocked face? There. Now all 6 sides of our cube have faces. Can you do that? Alright. Go ahead. Show me on Facebook your faces on your cube. Bye kids.